Welcome to the Holistic Equine Academy of Lymphedema. I'm Teresa Mullen. Today is Personal Development Day, Tuesday, June 20th, 2023. And today's topic is, did you make your bed this morning? I did. You may think that's an innocuous kind of a statement. Why would you even say that? Why? Because it's the first accomplishment of the day. So what I developed habits doing, especially in the spring and the summer, my stalls are done before I have breakfast. All those chores, laundry's folded and put away. The sink is cleaned out before I even sit at my computer. God only knows what the day is going to bring. So what did all these little things really add up to? I'll tell you what. It helped me with, one, I have a sense of accomplishment regardless how the day ends or goes. I have goal settings, I have accomplishments, I have better time management. I think about follow through, self-discipline. These are all good habits that I created from the little simple things. I think they're major, and I don't think about them. I just automatically do them. So let's translate that into business. Follow through, sales calls, marketing, all of those things are important. Time management, goals, accomplishments, follow through, self-discipline. So I think it relates to everything that we do here. So if you have any questions about the HEAL basic curriculum, professional curriculum, you can email me at info@healequine.com. You can take a look at our curriculum at www.healequine.com/lymphatic-curriculum. And better yet, schedule a call with me to discover your journeys of possibilities as an equine lymphatic therapist and put all those wonderful skills that you think are so simple to work for you in your business. You can schedule a call at calendly.com/healequine/curriculum. And don't forget, put a ding in your universe for 2023. Believe in the possible.